It's always good to compromise only when the other side understands your feelings. But it's not good to bend so much that you lose your existence. Respect yourself. If you don't, others won't either. Remember, the world sees what you put out there. So hold yourself to a high standard of grace and elegance. They cannot take away our self respect if we do not give it to them. Respect your efforts, respect yourself. Self respect leads to self discipline. When you have both firmly under your belt, that's real power. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Only make decisions that support your self-image, self-esteem, and self-worth. Be beautiful if you can, wise if you want to, but be respected, that is essential. Respect yourself and others will respect you. Never bend your head, hold it high, look the world straight in the eye. Respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer serves you, grows you, or make you happy. Do not compare yourself to others. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. A man who respects a woman must be a reasonable man. How can you respect others without respecting yourself? Happiness blooms in the presence of self-respect and the absence of ego. Before you respect others, respect yourself first. When you undervalue what you do, the world will undervalue who you are. If you don't have respect for yourself, you won't get it anywhere else. I cherish and respect everything I own, and I feel so lucky to have it. Tolerance is a fundamental character trait of great people and a part of the attitudes and practices of those we admire and respect. We may not be able to stop evil in the world, but how we treat one another is entirely up to us. All religions have an equal potential to create a good human being, and that is enough to command mutual respect. Psychologist tells us that your level of self-esteem, how much you like and respect yourself, is the key measure of how happy you are in any area of your life. Respect others, demand respect. Don't allow yourself to be disrespected by anyone. If you are not being treated with respect, don't be a doormat. When you show people kindness and respect, despite petty differences, you are bringing positive vibes into your life and into the lives of others. Healthy relationships of all kinds are usually composed of honesty, trust, and respect. Self-respect is the great thing to be always worked for and desired. I firmly believe that respect is a lot more important and a lot greater than popularity. You find when you pursue a life of greater health and happiness, you then treat the body you have with dignity, respect, and absolute care. Consistency is a key element without which a leader is incapable of getting respect, success, or even developing confidence in others. Our house rules: love God and love each other. Be generous with hugs and warm words. Be patient and respect each other. Practice forgiveness. Be kind and tender-hearted. Pray often and live with a thankful heart. Respect people. Trust you. It takes a lot for people to trust you. So treat their trust like precious porcelain. It is important to be optimistic and proud of who you are. Show yourself the respect you deserve. People enjoy being around others who are positive and confident. When we respect someone, we are acknowledging and appreciating their role in society or in our life. Respect yourself and respect the integrity of others as well. The greatest thing you have is your self-image, a positive opinion of yourself. You must never let anyone take it from you. You can become someone who is worthy of respect and someone who can pursue what he wants irrespective of what others say or do. There are a lot of attitudes among workers that can lead to a better workplace, and this can be as simple as respect for others, laughter, understanding, and compromise.